1, 2, 3.
I'm Steven, that's Scarlett, and if you saw my last video, you'll know we did some demolition work, hauling off some storm damage to old tobacco barn. Today, we're doing some more of the same, but we're no longer on the ground, so it's going to be surgical demolition. So, buckle up, let's get to it. So the goal for the day is to try to get the remaining 10 at least on the ground. Even if I can't get it all packed up, I would like to get it down. And here's what I'm thinking will be the best route. This is not very stable. So my plan is to put some shoring in, build a temporary brace underneath here so I can get up on there, get the remaining 10 off. And what I'm going to try to do is cut it so that I can pull that bracing out and let this fall without damaging the existing structure. So that's the plan. Let's see if it works that way. On the bright side, it's not very high. Ooh. Yeah, I'm not standing on that. Can y'all see this thing wiggle? It's very obvious in person, but I don't know where the load is actually on. Almost impossible to tell. It's not on where it was designed to be on, I do know that. My goal is to not lift this lean-to. My goal is to just make sure the weight is on my temporary wall. But if I lift it just a hair, I know the weight is on my wall. Stay. Yeah, it feels better. I think that will hold one Steven. What do you think? Oh yeah. That feels way better than it did before. I'll take it. Let's take some tin off. Soft spot. Thank you for your TED Talk. I know. You were very insightful. I have a plan. I gotta make some more bracing. That 10 was structural. Yeah, that's it. Can y'all see that? No. You're right there. Oh yeah. We're in business. Sketchy business, but business nonetheless. Time to go. I think it's ready. We'll see. I think I got it on this strike. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Wow. Look at this. Just about that entire roof system, as rotted, covered as it is. Is standing on that one 2x4. I can't believe that. One 2x4 has got a lot of weight on it, because the rest of it is down. There it goes. Ready? There it goes. Got my camera. I didn't yell timber. It would have worked out good if that one stud hadn't caught. I think it would have gone in one shot then. You don't really get to pick some things though. Better than it was.
Yep. Well, you can get it, man.
Yep, safely. I'm tired. Maybe I'm out of shape. Camera died, it rained, but the tin is on the ground, which is the good part. I don't have to worry about falling through or someone getting under it and it collapsing. So I call that a win. Didn't go exactly as planned. I didn't expect that one 2x4 to stay upright, but you can't account for everything because you can't really tell where the load path is on a curved building. I knew it wasn't connected to the existing structure, but didn't expect it to be sitting on one singular 2x4. And but that's good. It's on the ground. This will be a this evening project or a tomorrow project, because I'm about out of gas. But once I get all that taken up and recycled, we got to work on the shingle roof next. It's a little more sturdy than this one, thankfully. Let's do it again later. Tomorrow's now today, and we are not going to hit the wall. We are going to see if we can take the shingle roof off of the lean-to portion. We're going to see if we can use gravity to help take it down. You ready? Let's go. Yeah. So yesterday, my parents came and helped and we got all the tin off. And this morning I went ahead and took it to the scrapyard to recycle it. So put your guesses down below as to how much 52 by 18 foot of tin weighed. Let's do some roofing. Sort of. Stay right there. Please don't fall. You're perched very precariously. Don't stand under me. Psst, out. You don't have your hard hat on. Inside. Go inside. Hey, timber? Yep, it might be the end of filming for the day. It's a long way down. 1, 2, 3. Bullseye. Look at the damage on that ridge beam. That tree hit it so hard it snapped 2 2x4s, which impressive. And you got the collar ties, some of them are knocked out. I think this barn's about 24 by 24, so top and bottom floor. Then you got the 2 wings, so it's not a huge barn, but not a small one either. All right, let's get back to it. Whoop. Ugh, shingle. Roof diaphragm is holding and holding well. I mean, that's a good thing. They're so cool. It's raining. Not hard, but hard enough I don't want to be out in it. At least not out in it on a roof. What do you think? You gonna get wet? Let's go. Never mind. I'm just wearing the sawdust at this point. It's just sticky. Okay. Not really sure where to put you. Everywhere I put you, you seem to be in danger zone. Of course, my knife fell out when I grabbed my bag. I saw it do it and I said, I don't need it. I don't need it. Sweet. This needs to go in the trailer now. I need some more people. I need to teach Scarlett how to use her thumbs. Well, at the beginning, I think I said, let's raise the roof, and I quite literally did the opposite. We dropped it. So that's it for the major demo. There's some odds and ends left, but for the most part, it's down. Now it's time to add some more. Anyways, if you like what you see, stick around. We got a lot more where that came from. Next time, let's add some wood instead of take away some wood. Off to the next one. That was a lot of work.